Hello guys and gals, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Bethann. So today's video I've created this like mermaid eyes inspired look. So blues, purples and greens. I had a lot of fun creating this look, so yeah, if you want to see how I create this look and what products I use, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off by taking the Conceal and Hydrate Concealer from Makeup Revolution. I'm just going to put it on my eyelid and carve out my brows. I look a bit crazy, but then I'm going to buff it out again. So I'm taking the Spectrum A06 buffing brush and then that's just going to properly blend it out so it's nice and smooth, and it just creates a nice finish for eyeshadow to go on. Okay, so now that my lid's nice and set, ready for eyeshadow, I'm taking the Morphe X James Charles palette. I'm going to start with the shade Playground, which is this blue here. So I'm going to take like a little packing brush. I'm going to pat it where I want it to go. So my crease, and then I don't want to bring it out. I want it kind of like rounded off. So I'm just going to bring it around like that. And then I'm going to take a blending brush. I'm going to use this blending brush. It doesn't have a name, it's MSQ. I got him in a set from Amazon. I'm going to take a little bit of that blue, but then I'm going to mix it a bit with white so it's just a bit lighter. And then I'm just going to go around in some more circular motions and blend the edges. I'm not going to take it too far up, I'm just going to try and work just slightly above, just to blend it out nice and seamlessly. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack on the blue shade again and then just repeat, and then hopefully just build up the pigmentation just a bit more. And then I'm going to get a clean blending brush and then I'm just going to blend the edges so that's just fully blended out. So I'm going to take this really big fluffy brush and I'm literally just going to go over the edges just to make sure they are fully blended. And then I'm gonna mix this purple with this pink, and yeah, I'm gonna mix that. Just gonna basically blend that underneath the blue. And then I'm going to take that same packing brush what we packed on the blue, and then I'm going to pack the blue in between and blend the two colours together. Because obviously we want to bring back that blue shade. blend that blue shade out again. And then again, I'm taking that big fluffy brush and then just blending out all of the edges. I'm going to take the same concealer I used to set my base, put a bit on my hand. I'm going to cut the crease, but we're going to do a half cut crease. I'm taking this kind of flat brush here. Not the same one we used at the beginning. This is like slightly smaller and it's more precise for me. And then all I do is I just pat where I want it to go. I don't swipe, I pat. I think that's just the best way to get where you want it. There. And then with that same purple shade with the the pink and the purple mixed together, I'm just gonna get that now, and I'm just gonna basically pat on the edges just to give it a nice softer edge. And then I'm going to take a green shade. I'm going to take the lighter green. I'm going to pack that all on where we've just cut the crease. And then we're going to go back in with that purple and then just blend it in better with the green. I'm just going to take what's left on the brush and just pat and just do circular motions like so. And then I'm going to take this pigment in the shade Poison Ivy. So it's got like silver, but then it's got like colourful reflex, and I think it's usually like what colour you've put underneath, so hopefully it will give off like green reflex. That's what I'm going to try now. I'm going to put a slight amount of glue, glitter glue anyway, the tiniest amount, just so it sticks. I'm just going to take that same brush I put the green on with, and then take this pigment. Yeah, but it gives off like green reflex because obviously that green is underneath, and that's what we want. Like so. Then I'm just going to blend that purple in it again so it's not just a harsh line, and then I'm going to do the other eye off camera and then we'll finish off the look. Okay, so I actually did like most of my base off camera. I did my foundation, concealer, bronzer, all that jazz. But yeah, I'm going to start and finish under the eyes. So take the same palette, and then this time I'm going to take a small blending brush. I'm going to get like the purple and pink again, and I'm just going to get as close as I can to the waterline. Like so. I'm going to take the same brush, I'm just going to clean it a little bit, and we'll go into that blue and mix a bit of the white with it. And then that is just going to go slightly above. I'm going to clean it up, don't worry. just going to put some mascara on. I'm going to take the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. And I'm just going to coat my lashes. So while the lashes are drying, I'm going to do my highlight. I'm actually going to use one of the shades in here. I'm going to try this shade here, but I feel like it's going to be a bit too dark for my skin. So I might do this light gold shade. But first, I've actually got these like nail art brushes, but I want to use them mainly for like more detailed looks. And I've got these small fan brushes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this small fan brush. And I'm actually going to first highlight my brow bone with that shade. Look how tiny it is. And then I'm just going to highlight that brow bone. Like so. Do it for eye. I think that's so nice. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my regular highlighting brush, the Morphe one, and then I'm going to dip into that same shade and then just apply it to my cheeks. Like so. I'm going to take this little packing brush, just dip, and then in a corner, just a little bit, like so. And then now the mascara should be dry, so I'm going to move on to my false lashes, and today I'm going to take the Unique lashes in this style Flutter, and then apply them. And now lashes are on. Moving on to lips. I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Stripped. This is like my favourite nude lipstick ever. And then when that's dried down, I'm going to go over with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline, just to add a bit of shine to the lips. Because obviously this is a matte lipstick, so, and I do want a gloss, but I don't have the perfect nude gloss because I like this as a topper now, rather than on its own, so yeah. So this is the finished look, guys. I actually really like it a lot. I had this like planned in my head, so you know, you don't really know how it's going to turn out until you actually do it on the actual eye, but yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Yeah, I'm happy with the whole look, to be fair, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and if you do recreate this look, please let me know and show me. I would love to see people's recreations of this look. It did take a while with blending, but that's the only thing about blending. It takes a while, but it's worth it in the end. I'm so happy with it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget you can like and subscribe, comment down below if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see anything else from me. I leave my social medias linked down below, so feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I also have TikTok, which is MUA Bethann with 2 N's, if you want to follow me on there. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.